What's up, everybody? It's Cameron with Surfboards.com. I just got done unpacking a big stack of our DC spring and summer. This looks like we got 3 new styles of shoes in today, and I think some new hats. So I will set you guys up over here, and we'll just take a quick sneak peek at the new shoes for the season. Hopefully it won't fall over here. Let's take a look. First one we unpacked is a ladies shoe. We got the new DC Chelseas in. These ones are going to be in the blue-white colorway. So these are really cool. It's got a nice pink and white DC logo. And then you have a really cool, I don't know how well you can see the pattern on, oh yeah, you can see it great. Got a really cool, almost like woven blanket type pattern for the side. All white bottoms, white on the front with the old DC patch. Little pink accents on the eyelets. Pretty cool DC women's shoe. So that's going to be the DC Chelsea in blue and white. Next one, we got the DC Pure. This is one of their most popular skate shoes. They've always got a bunch of different colors for us. Today it looks like we've got the black camouflage. A quick look at black camo. All right, so pretty good looking shoe. You got the red DC logo with the DC star there. You got the camo on the heel. And then the bottom, you got the black and red DC. Let's see if you can see black laces up there with the red logo. So pretty nice skate shoe. Those are going to be the DC Pure black camouflage. All right, last up, we've got another Pure shoe, but these are going to be the Pure high tops. So a little bit higher of an ankle than the last Pure shoe. Still a super popular skate shoe from DC. A little more ankle support. So yeah, those are going to look really similar to the last ones. Are they the same color? These are the Astro Camo Black. So different colorway than the last one, but it looks like they used the same pattern. Used the red logo with the star, red logo up front, and then they used the same camo strap for the heel. But still a pretty sharp looking skate shoe. Black on the bottom this time. So yeah, it's going to be the DC Pure high top black Astro Camo. I'm sure more from this shipment's going to be pouring in over the next week. Usually it's uncommon for us to only get a couple styles of shoes at once. It looks like they sent us some hats too, which I'm guessing means we have quite a bit of apparel on the way. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, 2 styles. It's going to be their Cap Star, one of DC's just sort of standard styles, but it's got the really nice thick white DC embroidery on the front there. DC on the back, and then flex fits that come in 2 sizes. So that'll be your new DC hat. In, looks like we got 2 colors for you. So yeah, there's your quick sneak peek of the new DC stuff for the season. I'll have more for you next week as it continues to roll in. 3 new pairs of shoes, a couple new hat styles. Keep checking back later in the week and I'll have more shoe sneak peeks for you if that's what you're here for. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day.